Hey guys, in this video we picked the top 5 best kitchen utensil on the market. We made this list based on our personal opinion, and we ranked them in no particular order after we did our research based on their price, quality, durability, brand reputation and more. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Umite Chef 15-piece Silicone Kitchen Utensil Set. This is a fairly large assortment of well-made silicone cooking utensils sold at an excellent price for the quantity and quality. Along with a mix of slotted and solid turners and spoons, you get a spaghetti server, ladle, tongs, basting brush, silicone-coated whisk, which is nice to have for whisking sauces and other preparations right in your non-stick cookware, and 3 types of baking spatulas. And it comes with a tall crock for storing it all. These durable kitchen utensils have sturdy stainless steel handles with comfortable non-slip silicone grips and hanging holes. Use these tools with any type of cookware, including non-stick cookware, and the tool heads themselves are effectively non-stick. They're heat-safe up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit and all dishwasher safe, though they also easily wipe clean when you want to hand wash them. Buy the set in any of 7 different colors, or go with the 8th option, a set composed of a fun mix of different cheery hues. Unlike other utensil sets, this does not warp, nor does it scratch the surface of your cookware. The set includes 15 pieces of essential utensils that are necessary for any kitchen. They feature stainless steel handles with silicone covering for better grip and to keep your hands safe from scalding. Number 2. Utaste Premium Kitchen Spatula Set. Designed especially for better use, this spatula set is one-of-a-kind silicone kitchen utensil set. It is made with food-grade silicone, so you don't have to worry about polluting your food. It's a one-piece seamless design, is easy to clean, suitable for hot foods, and it does not melt while cooking. With a set of 4 non-stick spatulas, you never have to compromise on cooking. It has a heat resistance of up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring that the spatulas do not bend, deform, or change their shape. In high heat, they are incredibly easy to clean and dishwasher safe, so there is no frustration or struggle after cooking. Furthermore, they feature a balance of flexibility and stiffness, which is enough to bear the pressure so that you can scrape things from the side of each bowl. Available in teal, black, orange, red, and purple, these spatulas can be a colorful addition to your kitchenware. Plus, the handles are non-slip for more control while you use them. The set comes with a mini spatula, a jar spatula, a spoon spatula, and a large spatula. Pros: made with BPA-free material. Handles have a good grip. Heat-resistant up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. Dishwasher-friendly spatulas. Cons: spatulas might be stiff. Number 3. Umite Chef Kitchen Cooking Utensils Set. This 24-piece set can help kickstart your culinary journey or start playing with intermediate recipes. Smooth wooden handles with holes are comfortable in your hand and allow for hanging the pieces when you're done. The set is equipped with hangers just for that purpose, but there's also a crock if you'd rather keep your utensils on the countertop. This set also includes a few unusual pieces, such as an offset spatula, a silicone brush, and a spoon rest. The BPA-free silicone is perfect for non-stick skillets. The measuring cup and spoon round out this budget-friendly option. These utensils will not bend, break, or rust and are heat-resistant up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit. Being silicone, they are safe to use on any non-stick pans, and the handles are anti-scalding for extra cooking protection. This set includes a slotted turner, a slotted spoon, a pasta server, a serving spoon, a soup ladle, a turner, a spatula, a spatula, a basting brush, a whisk, a set of tongs, a utensil holder, a silicone mat, 5 measuring cups, 5 measuring spoons, and 10 hooks. A small holes on the handles for easy storage, extra 10 PCS hooks and utensils holder for convenient storage. A silicone mat provides you more convenience, a great gift for anyone who loves to cook. Number 4. Home Hero 23-piece Nylon Kitchen Utensils Set. Every piece here is very well made, though I like some better than others. The peeler, grater, pizza cutter, scissors, tongs, and spoons are excellent. They're all very sturdy and easy to use, with good designs that allow them to perform the tasks you need them to efficiently. Everything is comfortable to hold and use, and this holds true for the pieces I like less as well. The other bits, like the potato masher and the spatula, aren't bad. Exactly, but they're certainly not my favorites. I don't think nylon spatulas in general are very good, and even though this one is better than the average, it's not going to be the first tool I reach for in my drawer. Still, this is the perfect all-inclusive utensil set. Even the less good bits are still great, and it comes in at a great price for a utensil set of this overall quality, dishwasher safe and BPA free. This black and stainless steel set goes well with a range of decor. Pros: lightweight, very well made for nylon utensils. Great variety of available utensils. Good price for the quality and variety. Cons: not a fan of the spatula shape and material. Number 5. MyBoat 17-piece silicone cooking utensil set. As far as full silicone sets go, this is pretty good. The rigid and comfortable wooden handles help a lot, both in keeping your hands cool and comfortable, as well as giving the silicone a rigid base to keep it from flexing to unwanted positions. The heads are soft as expected from silicone, and good for many kitchen tasks, especially breakfast-related ones. The spatula is perfect for flipping eggs and other delicate things on the stove, like crepes, and the soft flexible heads of the other bits are great for batters and mixes, to get everything out of the bowl and stirred well together so it cooks. They work okay for other purposes, but not as good as other tools. I'd consider this more a supplementary set than a primary one. This is the one you use for baking and delicate tasks, while your stiffer and more rugged tools take up the more demanding jobs in the kitchen. These BPA-free utensils with silicone heads won't mess with your non-stick cookware but can handle a temperature of 480 degrees Fahrenheit. In addition to the usual array of spatulas, this collection includes a brush, tongs, slotted spoons, a ladle, a whisk, and a grater. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like, comment, and make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.